Hi everyone, this is Iman Saaduddin, and today we are going to have another lesson about either, or, and neither nor. Okay, so in my last lesson we discussed how to use either alone and neither alone, okay? And we talked about tea and coffee a lot, all right? Today we are going to take it a step further and we are going to talk about either or. Okay, how do we use either or? If we take the same example about the tea and coffee, we could say in this example, you can have either tea or coffee. Ya imma tea, ya imma coffee. Alright? And then I would choose which one. You can have either tea or coffee. Now they're giving me two choices. Only two, three doesn't work, okay? So only two possibilities. Another one would be either me or my sister can drive you to school. Okay? Either me, يا إما أنا, يا إما أختي can drive you to school. Okay. Now, what about neither nor? طيب, neither and nor are both negative. Negative. That doesn't mean that they're bad. It just means that they are in the negative. يعني لا. There is a no before them, okay? Do not, have not, cannot, any no, anything that is negative before them. Let me give you another example. Say you chose coffee, all right? Then I went to bring you the coffee and I was surprised and found out that there was no coffee. So I would come to you and I say, I'm sorry, ma'am. Neither tea nor coffee is available. Could you choose something else? Neither tea nor coffee is available. لاحظوا الاثنين negative. Okay, so negative n, neither n, and nor n. Three n. Okay? Now, another example could be neither me nor my sister can drive. So no one can drive you to school. Sorry. Okay? Neither me nor my sister can drive. Alright, if you like what you hear and if you are getting value, I would ask you to share this video with everyone that you know, and let me know in the comments below if you would like to learn something else and if you got value from this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.